Hi everyone! Today I will show you new coloring book My Fantasy Bestiary by Viktoria Kleyn. It's coloring sketchbook. Viktoria is a Russian artist. It's her first book and I am extremely proud that now new very interesting and gifted artists decided to do their coloring books. Book was published by Viktoria herself, and as she is a very gifted colorist, she definitely knows what paper is the best. Size of the book is A4 and inside we have 20 pictures to color. First thing which I immediately noticed is how thick is the paper. It's almost cardstock. All pages are glued together and they have perforation on the left side. Not my favorite thing, but if you like to tear pictures from the book and maybe to stick them to the surface and or to take them away to color in comfortable place, it will be definitely a thing for you. I always love coloring books where we can invent some kind of story behind picture, and definitely here your imagination can go wild. We have different animals from mythological to quite realistic but morphed into something really different. They are morphed into details of landscapes or they have features of animals and birds together. Definitely it will be really fun to imagine story behind picture and also to decide whether you want to color them realistic or you want to do something absolutely incredibly fantasy and using unusual colors. I love that main characters are drawn is thicker black lines, but Viktoria also added light shading and light details of the fur with soft, thinner lines like sketches. That's why she called her coloring book coloring sketchbook, and I love artist style. Also, I love balance between the image and the size of the background. It's for you to decide whether to leave background uncolored and thanks to the detailed picture it won't be looking empty, or you can add also fantasy background. Thanks to the high quality of the paper, you will be able to use any art mediums you want. This picture probably is my favorite, and when I got the book, I immediately decided that it will be my first picture. But maybe it's not a complete true. You will see later. I think that Viktoria is a very gifted animalist and I really love how she draw animals. Even if you are a beginner, it will be easy for you to color them. Thanks for the light shading. I decided first to make a flip through of all pictures for you and then to add my opinion about paper after I colored my first page here. As I said, this book is self-printed and Viktoria has her own Etsy shop, or you can contact her directly via her Instagram. All contacts will be in the info box. She speaks English and there is an international delivery. As I said, I thought that I will start to color from the all, but in the end, that's my first finished project here. Video of the process where I tried to explain which mediums I used here and what I did to get this result will be on my channel together with this review. And here I tested acrylic paint, different brands of pencils, and everything works really well. I am really proud that now we have new Russian artist and very interesting and inspiring coloring book. And I also love to visit Viktoria's Instagram profile because she's also very gifted digital artist and her pictures in digital are also incredible. I hope that you will see video of how I colored this white wolf. I called this picture the keeper of the Lake District. Thank you for watching and I will see you very soon.